Unlock the potential of passive income with the Affiliate Marketing School video course. This comprehensive package is designed to guide you through the intricacies of affiliate marketing, offering you a pathway to financial freedom. Imagine having access to a resource that not only educates, but empowers you to take charge of your financial future. The Affiliate Marketing School video course is more than just a series of lessons. It's a transformative experience that equips you with the tools needed to succeed in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Each line of the Affiliate Marketing School video course is crafted to ensure that you grasp the core concepts of affiliate marketing with ease. The course is structured to be SEO-friendly, ensuring that the content is indexed by Google, thus enhancing your visibility online. By integrating the Affiliate Marketing School video course into your learning routine, you're setting yourself up for success. The course is designed to be relatable, easy to understand, and highly informative, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their prior knowledge of affiliate marketing. The Affiliate Marketing School video course offers a unique opportunity to learn from high-quality video lessons and audio files. These resources are not only informative, but also engaging, keeping you hooked from start to finish. With the Affiliate Marketing School video course, you have the chance to resell, rebrand, and profit from the content, thanks to the full private label rights, PLR, and Master Reseller Rights, MRR, that come with it. This means you can make the course truly yours, tailoring it to fit your brand and goals. Imagine being able to earn 100% profit on every sale. The Affiliate Marketing School video course makes this possible. With expertly crafted video lessons, you can offer your audience valuable insights into affiliate marketing strategies, all while keeping the profits for yourself. The plug-and-play nature of the Affiliate Marketing School video course means there's no hassle involved in content creation. Simply rebrand, upload, and start generating income instantly. The versatility of the Affiliate Marketing School video course is unmatched. Whether you want to grow your email list, boost your website traffic, or enhance your content library, this course has the power to transform your marketing efforts. The unlimited customization options allow you to edit, rebrand, and tailor the content to fit your unique brand and goals, ensuring that it resonates with your target audience. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. The Affiliate Marketing School video course is your chance to tap into high-demand niches with ready-made video courses. With 10 high-quality videos, audio files, professional graphics, and proven email swipes, the course offers everything you need to succeed. The Affiliate Marketing School video course is currently available for just $27, making it an affordable investment in your future. With a 60-day money-back guarantee, there's no risk involved in trying out the Affiliate Marketing School video course. If you're not satisfied, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. This course is your gateway to unlocking passive income success, providing you with the knowledge and tools needed to thrive in the world of affiliate marketing. Take advantage of the Affiliate Marketing School video course today and start profiting immediately. This is your chance to build a sustainable income stream, leveraging the power of high-quality, ready-to-use content. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your financial future with the Affiliate Marketing School video course. Secure your order now and embark on a journey towards financial independence and success in affiliate.